Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Harshita Peshe here. So today this is a requested video. This is a video requested by one of the first year law students. So he is there in first year, I think first semester. So his request was, how do I pass the law exams? So firstly I'm going to give you certain tricks and tips of how you need to pass it on a shot. And then what is the major, how you need to do smart work than doing hard work, and what are the various tips, and how do you complete the syllabus, and then how you can just try to do your exams well. So starting with what you need to do, the first step would be go to KSLU website, download all the question papers from the year 2018 to 2013, be it any semester, be first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Try to download all the question papers and jot it down on a notebook, and once you're done with each and every question, just try to put a tick mark against each question that you are very sure of it. So when you go to the examination hall, you're not completely blank that what I need to write. You will at least have an ideology of what you need to, if you see a question, you'll have an ideology. Okay, this kind of question, for this kind of question, this kind of answer is going to be appearing. The second thing, if you write the section numbers and if you write the case studies very aptly, as much as I have seen, I'm in my final year now, I have seen that I have written a few subjects where I scored above 50. I saw that I wrote the case studies, I wrote my section numbers very aptly, and they kind of gave me more marks. So I think you guys need to write case studies, you guys need to write the section numbers properly, and try to impress the evaluator. Instead of irritating, or instead of writing stories, try to make it simpler for the evaluator, because they do have a lot of papers to be corrected. So just try to simplify your work, try to make it easy for the evaluator, for them to understand what points exactly you're trying to put out. And now coming to how you need to pass, this is a requested video by one of the first semester students. So he requested me asking what are the tricks and what are the tips of how I need to clear my law exams on a shot without any back papers. And also he asked me how can I find the notes, where the notes is available. See, the notes is available, ample of notes is available online. You have so many colleges who are giving online notes. There are so many online video classes happening. So what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is just download the syllabus. Try finding some time for yourself to download the syllabus, write down the questions, and then if at least when you're traveling or something, just each and every question, if you just watch one video, you're done with the question. So that would be very helpful. Now coming with the first semester, I think I don't know what are the changes in the syllabus. I'll just find it out from my teacher. But there are 4 subjects which I think there are no much changes. Contract 1, torts law, and then there is Hindu law, and then there is another subject. So all this, there are no much changes. So I will be just going with certain examples of how I wrote the exams, and these opinions are all are my own opinions. I'm not a law teacher, but basically I'm a trainer for like other schools and all of that. So that's how my teaching career has started or begun. So I have gone up to 57 subscribers, and there are a few students from other colleges who requested for this video. So this video is all for those people. Now coming with what you guys need to do, how you guys need to write your exam, I will be coming up with a few examples. Now coming to contract law, they will ask you the definition of contract, essential features of a valid contract. So when they ask you that, I'm just giving you an example. When they ask you that, make sure that you write the section number. According to section 2H, an agreement enforceable by law is called as a valid contract. Okay, so that would make the evaluator easy, so that he can give you marks immediately there. Next, coming with what are the essential features, write in points. Okay, there are a lot of definitions like that. You have what is an agreement, you have what is a promise, what is a proposal. So what is an agreement? Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is known as an agreement. And then when is a proposal said to be accepted? When the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto, the proposal is said to be accepted. So make sure, according to section 2B of Indian Contract Act 1872, or according to section 2H of Indian Contract 1872, an agreement enforceable by law is said to be a valid contract. So these are the three definitions where I gave you the examples. Now coming to case studies, there are a lot of case studies. So you make sure that you jot down the case studies, at least write it in points, so that you will, not only for first semester student, this is also for all semester students. So case studies carry a lot of marks. So just try to write the case study, write it in points, so that it will be very helpful for the evaluator. So till now I have not got any back paper, but recently only in one subject unfortunately I did get a back paper. That was in human rights, because I mixed and shuffled one answer into another answer. So that's how I got a back paper, but that's okay. I will just clear that. So I hope this video is very helpful to you guys, and like I said, please try downloading the question papers, and please try figuring out all the questions and writing out in the paper book firstly, and then after that try at least completing 2 to 3 questions in a day, which will help you to cover your syllabus by December. And then also there are online notes available, and also there are online video classes available. If I am not able to make some video classes, there are some online video classes happening. So there are experts who are doing online video classes. So basically all my semesters I've cleared certain times when I used to not understand the concept, so I used to watch the video classes, and it was very helpful for me, very handy and very helpful. So this is all in this video. And these three, like I have started with contract, I have gone with three definitions. I hope that is helpful to you. I'll come up with a separate video what you guys need to do, and how you guys need to learn. I'll come up with contract, and I'll come up with the 5 chapters. Maybe I will try making notes, since I am little held up with my own training for other schools, and also I need to train my own. I have my own studies going on, and have other work. I am not able to post very regularly, but even though I can't post very regularly, I'm trying to post every day, because by December there is an examination, and this is a requested video by one of the first year students. I don't know which college, but this is a requested video. He requested me from one of the groups which I share. So he requested me to make this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please do press the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please do leave a comment below. And then let's start up with contract law. It would be like a revision for me also. So I'll try coming up with the essential features of valid contract, and then I'll come up with the definition of contract. So it will be helpful for you guys also, it will be helpful for me also. I'll try helping as much as I can, but if I'm not able to come up with any videos, there are other law videos as well. You can watch them and you can clear your exam. So I hope this video is very helpful. This video was all about the tricks and tips how you need to clear your examinations. So if you like this video, please do press the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel for more and more videos. Thank you.